The next generation of Google's flagship smartphone is already starting to generate excitement, and early leaks suggest the Google Pixel 11 could focus heavily on AI efficiency and smarter hardware. While Google has not officially confirmed anything yet, reports and industry leaks are giving us a clearer idea of what the Pixel 11 might offer when it launches in 2026. Starting with the release timeline, the Pixel 11 is expected to arrive in August 2026 during Google's annual summer hardware event in Mountain View. In recent years, Google has moved its Pixel launches earlier in the year, and the Pixel 11 will likely follow the same schedule. The launch may include several models, such as the Pixel 11, Pixel G6 Pro, Pixel G6 Pro XL, and possibly the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, continuing Google's strategy of offering multiple flagship options. When it comes to pricing, there are currently no confirmed leaks. However, the base Pixel model previously started at around $799, and the Pixel 11 could launch at a similar price. There is also a possibility of a small increase due to rising component costs. Another factor could be storage upgrades. Many flagship phones are moving away from 128GB base storage, so Google may start the Pixel 11 at 256GB, which could slightly raise the price. As usual, strong launch deals are expected. Google often offers generous trade-in discounts, especially for older Pixel devices. Major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile typically provide aggressive promotions, sometimes offering the phone at very low monthly payments, or even free with eligible plans and trade-ins. The camera system is expected to remain one of the Pixel 11's biggest strengths. Current leaks suggest a 48-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel 5x telephoto camera, along with a 10.5-megapixel front camera for selfies. While the hardware may look similar to previous models, the real improvements are expected to come from AI-powered image processing. Google's next-generation Tensor G6 processor will likely play a major role in these improvements. The chip may be built on a 2nm process, delivering better performance and efficiency. Reports also suggest it could use a MediaTek 5G modem, which may significantly improve connectivity and battery efficiency compared to previous Tensor chips. AI features are expected to expand even further on the Pixel 11. Google may improve its cinematic blur video mode, bring more AI photo tools to video recording, and enhance editing features directly on the device. Some reports even suggest advanced AI capabilities that could help generate or enhance video content. Security is another area getting attention. The Pixel 11 may include the Titan M3 security chip, offering stronger protection for user data, improved encryption, and better defense against firmware attacks. Design-wise, a major redesign is not expected. The Pixel 11 will likely keep Google's familiar design language with the camera bar on the back, though smaller refinements like thinner bezels and improved materials could still appear. One interesting rumor comes from a patent suggesting Google may be exploring removable battery technology. It's not confirmed that this will appear in the Pixel 11, but if it does, it could make the device easier to repair and extend its lifespan. Battery life should also improve thanks to the more efficient Tensor G6 chip and modem. Even without a larger battery, these efficiency upgrades could help the Pixel 11 last longer throughout the day. The display is expected to remain a higher refresh rate OLED panel, likely with improved brightness and adaptive refresh technology to compete with other flagship smartphones. Overall, the Pixel 11 may not bring a dramatic redesign, but it could deliver meaningful upgrades in AI performance, efficiency, security, and camera capabilities. If the leaks are accurate, Google's next flagship could focus on making smartphones smarter and more capable rather than completely changing the design.